Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make stir-fry lotus roots, which is crunchy and delicious yet simple to make, and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel, because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Lotus roots, spring onion, chopped garlic, ginger. Peel the lotus roots and soak them in water. Add a little white vinegar to prevent the lotus roots from oxidizing and turning black. Sliced lotus root. Whole lotus is crisper and has less starch content, so it is suitable for stir-frying or cold salad. If the lotus root you buy is a 7-whole lotus, it will taste softer and waxier. The starch content is relatively high, so it is suitable for soup, but not suitable for this dish. Chopped spring onion, onion green and onion, white placed separately. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry onion white and chopped ginger. Add chopped garlic. Add lotus roots. If it's too dry, you can add a little water and stir-fry several times. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Continue stir fry for a while. Plate lotus root and garnish spring onion. Stir-fry lotus root is done. Lotus root is crunchy and delicious, suitable for both adults and children. Remember to add white vinegar to soak the lotus roots, so that the fried lotus roots will not turn black. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like Easyrecipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Lotus root provides a good amount of fiber, thus has the benefit of relieving digestive issues like constipation. Plus, eating a high-fiber diet makes you feel full and more satisfied for a longer period of time, which could potentially aid weight loss. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.